Okay, we added vendors in the previous video. Now we're going to add customers. So we're going to click on we have customers, and we can go to the customer center. Now notice how it's going to work a lot like the vendors. So we're going to come over here, we're going to say new customer. We can either add these one by one, or we can also import these from Excel. Let's do a new customer. And now you're just going to fill in this screen. So let's say you have, let's say you're going to sell to a company called XYZ. And if they have an opening balance, you're going to put that in there. You're just going to type in the information. Whatever information that you have is fine. You don't have to type in all of this information, whatever you have. So let's say that you have a contact name, Mary Jones. If you have a phone number, that's fine. And a fax. If you have an email, if you're going to send that person an invoice by email, then you want to have an email address in there. Now, we can put an address in for that person. And then if it's going to have the same ship to, we can just copy that right over, as we can see. And then it had the same bill to and the same ship to. So now we can put additional information in, like the type of customer. Now you can add to this list. Whenever it says add new there, you can just add right to that list if you wanted to. So let's say that's a retail customer. And let's say the terms. Now these terms are going to show up on your, whenever you make an invoice. You can always change it on the invoice, but that'll be the default. The rep is the sales rep. Notice how I don't have any in yet, but we can add new ones right from there as the sales reps. Prefer a send method. When you make an invoice, is it going to be emailed or mailed? That'll actually show up on the invoice as a default. If they have sales tax, then you're going to be able to apply that. These are all the defaults. You'll see when we make the invoices, we'll be able to change all of these fields. Also, we can define the fields. We can define new fields here, so you can customize the payment information. If you want to put like their account number that they have with your company, you can put that there, their credit limit. If you also wanted to put their credit card number on file, they have a space for that right over here. All right, so we're just adding this information. We're going to click on OK, and you can see now we have that company, that customer in there. You could have as many customers as you wanted to. Now, after a while, when we make some transactions, we'll be able to click on this screen, and then down here on this screen, it would actually show you all the transactions, all the history for that customer. So the way we got to the screen was we clicked on the customer center, and then to add new customers, you just clicked on new and then new customer over there. You just fill in the information. You just fill in the information that you have, and that's how we can add a new customer into QuickBooks.